Here's the question. On my mobile device, how do I create a new Gmail account? I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, I would absolutely do it from the Gmail app. So I'm going to the Gmail app. And it doesn't make any difference that I've already got, looks like I got 2 accounts on here. I'm going to add another account. So I click on add another account. Now, I'm going to create a Google account. Now I could create an iCloud. I could create a Yahoo, et cetera, et cetera. But I'm going to create a Google. And now it wants to go and it wants to use google.com for to sign in to be able to do this. Let me hit continue. Now here I can sign into an existing, look down there, create account. Click on create account for my personal use. Give it a name, hit next. It wants to know when was my birthday. This is the standard Google stuff. Populate that with some information. It wants me to choose an email address. I'm going to use the Lee NC Burris. Let me write that down. I'm going to choose that and hit next. I have to give it a password. So let me give it a password. Hang on. Don't watch the screen. By the way, I'm a huge fan of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters, and a minimum of 12 characters for a password. And now the account is set up. I'm going to hit next. I have to review and accept the privacy terms. If you've not read these, I encourage you to read them. And there we go. I just created a new Google/Gmail account on my mobile device. Some other points of interest, write down the email address or record it. I'm a LastPass guy, so I record it in LastPass. Make sure you've documented your password. You do not want to jeopardize forgetting your password. And the last big tip is I recommend you go to manage the Google account, right there, Google account. And when you're managing the Google account, I strongly encourage you to go to security, turn on two-step verification, and also create a recovery phone number and a recovery email address. The only reason I'm not doing this is I'm going to delete this account, but if I was going to keep it, I definitely would have two-step verification, a recovery phone number, and a recovery email address so that I don't jeopardize losing this account. I hope that was helpful.